All right, practice problem 3. Make sure you're annotating. We are reflecting over the y-axis. So let's add arrows. Oh, it may have been labeled, but it was just hard for me to see. This is X, this is Y. I'm reflecting over Y, so I'm moving from quadrant 2, reflecting over. My answer should be over here in quadrants 1 and 4. So I'm counting how far each point is from the Y axis, okay? So point Y is 1, 2. Go 2 the other way, Y prime. X is 7. I just looked, it's at 7. So I'm gonna go over to 7. Z is, looks like 6. Oop, here. Connect the points. Ooh, that was bad. See if I can do that a little better. So here is the new triangle. Yours will look much nicer. Let's get these ordered pairs. So my original X is at -7, 5. Y is at -2, 8. And Z is at -6, -6. So if I'm reflecting over Y, my X's are changing to their opposite. So instead of -7, it will be positive. My Y stays the same. -2 becomes 2. My Y stays the same. -6 becomes 6. My Y stays the same. Double check that. Y should be at 2, 8. Okay, checks out. You've got a few more practice problems.